Welcome students, myself Umesh Kumar Sharma from Arya College of Engineering and IT. Today we are going to discuss the topic oxidation growth mechanism and Deal-Grow model of oxidation and linear and parabolic rate coefficient. First of all, we will discuss about the oxidation. Oxidation is one of the most important thermal process which add oxygen to a silicon dioxide on the buffer surface. Silicon is very reactive to oxygen, thus in nature most silicon exists in the form of silicon dioxide such as quartz, sand. It reacts with oxygen very quickly and forms silicon dioxide on the silicon surface. The reaction can be expressed as Si plus O2 is equal to SiO2. The oxidation of silicon is necessary throughout the modern integrated circuit fabrication process. Producing high quality IC requires not only an understanding basic oxidation mechanism but also the ability to form a high quality oxide in a controlled and repeatable manner. In addition to ensure the reliability of the ICs, that electrical properties of the oxide must be understood. Use of silicon dioxide. Silicon dioxide has several uses, like first is to serve as a mask against implant or diffusion of dopant into silicon. Second is to provide surface passivation. Third is to isolate one device from another. Dielectric isolation as opposed to junction isolation. Fourth is to provide electrical isolation of multi-level metallization system. Techniques of oxide formation. There are several techniques proposed for forming the oxide layer. First is thermal oxidation, including rapid thermal techniques. Second is wet anodization. Third is vapor phase techniques, chemical vapor deposition. Fourth is plasma anodization or oxidation. Difference between the dry and wet oxidation. Lower growth rate in dry oxidation, comparatively higher growth rate in wet oxidation. Oxide film quality is better in dry oxidation. Oxide film are porous to impurity penetration in wet oxidation. Used for silicon, used for screen oxide, paid oxide and gate oxide in dry oxidation. Used for thick oxide for masking in wet oxidation. Results in higher density oxide in dry oxidation, low dielectric strength in wet oxidation. Deal-Grow model of oxidation. Deal-Grow models describe the kinetics of silicon oxidation. This model is valid between temperature range of 700 degrees centigrade to 1300 degrees centigrade and pressure between 0.2 and 1 atom for oxide thickness between 300 and 20,000 Armstrong. The Deal-Grow model can be described by figure as shown. The figure shows the silicon substrate covered by oxide layer that is in contact with gas phase. The oxidizing species first is are transported for bulk of gas phase to gas oxide interface with flux F1. Second are transported across the existing oxide layer to silicon with flux F2. Third is react at SiO2 interface with silicon with flux F3 or steady state condition F1 equal to F2 equal to F3. The flux F1 is proportional to the difference between oxidant concentration in the bulk of gas Cg and oxidant concentration to the oxide surface CSIA. F1 proportional Cg minus Cs. F1 equal to Hg into Cg minus Cs. Hg equal to gas phase mass transfer coefficient. According to Henry law, C naught equal to HPS and the equilibrium bulk concentration in the oxide is C star equal to HPG. Here Ps is the partial pressure in the gas adjacent to oxide surface and Pg is the partial pressure in the bulk of gas and H is the Henry constant. Using this Henry law with ideal gas law, F1 equal to small h into C star minus C naught. Small h equal to gas phase mass transfer constant. F1 equal to small hg upon capital HKT. The flux of this oxidizing species across the oxide is taken to follow Fick law at any point in the oxide layer. The flux F2 is F2 in the oxide is F2 equal to D into C naught minus Ci upon D naught. D equal to diffusion coefficient, Ci equal to oxidizing species concentration in the oxide adjacent to oxide silicon interface, D naught equal to oxide thickness. Now lastly, the flux F3 correspond to the Si-SiO2 interface is proportional to Ci. F3 proportional Ci, F3 equal to Ks Ci, Ks equal to rate constant of chemical surface reaction for silicon oxidation. In steady state condition, F1 equal to F2 equal to F3. So by solving the simultaneous equation, we can evaluate the value of Ci and C naught. Limiting case arrives when the diffusivity is either very small or very large. When diffusivity is very small, Ci tends to 0, C naught tends to C star. It is called diffusion control case. It results from the flux of oxidant through the oxide being small compared to flux corresponding to Si-SiO2 interface reaction. The second case is when diffusivity is large, Ci equal to C naught. It is called reaction control case because abundant supply for oxidant is provided at Si-SiO2 interface and the oxidation rate is controlled by reaction rate constant Ks and by Ci. Comparing various equation, we find from Deal-Grove model by assuming D naught equal to Di, D naught square plus AT0 equal to beta B into T plus tau, where A equal to 2D into 1 upon Ks plus 1 upon H, B equal to 2dC upon N1, where N1 equal to number of oxidant molecules in a unit volume of oxide layer at T equal to 0, D naught square plus AD0 equal to B tau, tau equal to D naught square plus AD0 upon B equal to Di square plus ADI upon B. The quantity tau represents shift in time coordinate for presence of initial oxide layer Di. This equation is known as a mixed linear parabolic relationship. Solving this equation for D naught square plus AD0 minus B into 1 T plus tau equal to 0, D naught equal to minus A plus minus under root A square plus 4B T plus tau upon 2, D naught equal to minus A by 2 plus minus A by 2 under root 1 plus 4B upon A square T plus tau. Taking positive sign, D naught equal to minus A by 2 plus A by 2 under root 1 plus T plus tau upon A square upon 4B. D naught equal to A by 2 into 1 plus T plus tau upon A square upon 4B T power 1 by 2 minus 1. D naught upon A by 2 equal to 1 plus T plus tau upon A square upon 4B T power 1 by 2 minus 1. For long oxidation time, T is greater than tau and T is greater than A square upon 4B. So D naught upon A by 2 into 4B upon A square T की power 1 by 2. D naught square upon A by 2 का whole square equal to 4B upon A square into T. D naught square into 4 upon A square equal to 4 upon A square BT. D naught square equal to BT. It is called parabolic law. Here P is the parabolic rate constant. Another limiting case occurs for short oxidation time. T plus tau is less than A square upon 4B. So D naught upon A upon 2 equal to 1 plus A by 2 T plus tau upon A square upon 4B plus higher order terms minus 1. By neglecting higher order terms, then D naught equal to B upon A T plus tau. It is called linear law. B upon A is the called linear rate constant. Linear and parabolic rate constant. The linear parabolic rate constant for wet and dry oxidation of silicon is given in table. Thank you.